1 week, the chick's skin thickens slightly. Small wing nubs and tiny claws appear. Beneath
At 3 weeks, the chick lifts its head proudly. Eyes crack open for the first time. Pin feathers lengthen, revealing.
At 6 weeks, balancing begins. The chick grips a towel with strengthening claws while flapping wings in unsteady.
At 3 months, perching training begins. The cockatiel balances on a small dowel, feathers fuller and crest lifted slightly.
At 4 months, in Richmond exploration stalls, climbs Tampanel taps bells, and
At 5 months, flight practice begins. The cockatiel makes short, well-controlled flights. Wings move.
Born fragile, raised with love, returned in strength.